Hi, welcome to the NordPass video guide. In this video, we'll show you how your organization can upgrade to a paid NordPass plan either during the free trial or afterward. Let's dive in. First, go to the admin panel. At the top of the screen, you'll see a notification about upgrading your organization's plan. When you click on it, you will see a list of all available plans: Teams, Business, and Enterprise. Choose the plan that meets your organization's needs best. Keep in mind that you can only upgrade to a plan that matches or exceeds the features of your organization's current trial plan. For example, if you're currently on a free trial of the business plan, you can upgrade to either the paid business or enterprise plan. However, you can't switch to a Teams plan because it offers a more limited range of features compared to what you currently have. Next, you'll need to provide your billing information and pay for the subscription. After that, you'll receive the confirmation email with purchase details. For all the details of your new plan, including your billing history, click on your email address in the left corner and choose Billing. There, you can also quickly download your invoices in PDF format. It's also important to mention that you'll need to contact our sales team if you're considering upgrading to the Enterprise plan. The Enterprise plan requires custom arrangements to suit your organization's needs. That's it! Now you know how to upgrade your organization's NordPass plan. If you still have any questions about upgrading your plan or NordPass in general, please reach out to our support team for assistance. Stay safe!